All right, here's a fun one for you. Customer brought this NanRobot. I think it's the NanRobot or NanRobot D4X something something. Apparently this thing goes 40 miles an hour. It's a 2,000 watt motor, and he had me do a new tube on it. What a pain in the butt it is to work on these things, but I hear this thing is gnarly. So it has eco, turbo, and then your little trigger here. This is like a $1,500 scooter, electric scooter. This thing looks crazy, but I told him I wanted to take a rip on it after I fixed the tire, so I just put the new tire in there. Now we're going to pop the motor back on there. I'm going to put the brakes on. This thing even has electronic brake controls on it. That's how crazy it is. You can tune the brakes. This thing is a lot of machine. So it's got a front hub motor, 1,000 watt, and a rear hub motor, 1,000 watt, altogether 2,000 watts. This thing apparently goes rips 40 miles an hour, so I think it has almost a fully charged battery. What did I do with the keys? Put them over here. Put them over here. Here they are. Let's pop this thing on here, show you how crazy this display is. So we'll turn that on. I don't know what the overall voltage. Hit the power button, let this thing power up. Hold it maybe? There it is. All right, so it gives you miles per hour, trip, tells you the battery life. So it's got enough battery to actually rip it around for a minute, and then you can choose whether you want single motor or dual motor just by flipping a switch. So if it's pushed down, I don't know if it's single or if it's dual, but I don't want to pull the trigger because that's where the tire currently is. So we're not gonna do that, but I'll turn all that off, and let me finish installing this, and then we'll take it out and see what my thoughts are. All right, tire's been aired up now, should be good to go. Brakes are on there. Might put a little bit more air in it, we'll see. And let's turn it on here, make sure everything's working, there's no grinding or rubbing or anything. Let's give it some throttle. Sounds pretty smooth, but that tire does not look smooth, does it? Boy, oh boy. This thing doesn't go 40. Yeah, 35. Oh, look at this guy. Kilometers an hour. He thought this thing went 40 miles an hour. He's crazy. That's like 15 or 20 miles an hour. That's not crazy. Let's see if the dual boost works. Yeah, alright, so front and rear. So I bet you it probably has a lot of torque. 35 kilometers an hour. So you can just activate front or rear, and then it has EcoBoost. Let's see what EcoBoost does. So I'm cruising. EcoBoost is on. 17 kilometers an hour. Turn off EcoBoost at full throttle, and bam, 35 kilometers an hour. So this thing's not that fast. He was acting like this thing went like 40 miles an hour. Anyways, it's all back together. So turn that off. He can come get it whenever. Got me working on electric scooters. I'm a gas scooter place, and he's got me working on electric scooters. See how that works? Alright, come down here, put a little air in this bitch. Oh, I guess I have a full thing because it's on and it's not doing anything. Alright, well, let me add some air now that we actually have a valve stem to work with here, and I'll give him a ring.